today I would like to start out the Nobuko's kitchen. Today is a menu, the salmon with garlic soy sauce marinated. This week I'd like to introduce the main item is the salmon. So many people love to eat salmon. So let's enjoy for today's cooking. Here we go! Okay, I'd like to introduce the ingredient items. Onion, of course, fresh salmon. Please prepare the sashimi style the salmon. And soy sauce, garlic, Japanese sake, mirin, and sesame oil. So today we also make it the very yummy and very easy item. So let's start. Okay, let's start. First, I put into the sesame oil, the 1 tablespoon, the garlic, sliced garlic inside first. After, please turn on. Okay, next I'd like to put into Japanese sake. And the last item is soy sauce. I will put here this sauce and become waiting for the colder. Okay, next is cut into salmon. It look like the sashimi style. Like this to the sashimi style. Okay, let's do it. Marinate with the salmon. So the sashimi salmon put here. It will half an hour till the 1 hour. Okay, so let's decorate. Wow, looks so nice. Today I put into the rice bowl. So the first is the nori seaweed. This is if you like it. And the next one is a salmon. And the next one is a sprout. And if you like it, to the white sesame. Wow, wasabi also. Okay, alright, finished. Wow, looks so yummy. So this is the fresh salmon marinated with the soy sauce. So this is a very easy and you can eat. You can try the tasty fresh salmon items. So see you next time.